How to clear app caches on Android. So guys, in this video today we're going to learn how we can clear app caches on your Android phone. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. So guys, I am on my Android phone. So simply guys, for deleting caches, you have to go in setting, click on your app or mobile settings. So every phone has different setting options, so just find out your app notification or app option where you can see your all uninstalled app. So you can see I have all app here, so I have to click on see all app. So here you can see your all app, system app, your installed app, everything. So just find out app which app uh, for which on which app you want to clear caches. So just find out WhatsApp. So I have to clear caches from this application, so I need to go in storage and caches, and here you can see there is a clear caches option. Just tap on it and it will be clear. So don't click on clear storage, because when you clear the storage, then your application will be reset and you have to log in your application whatever you have. Like if you have Instagram, then you have to log in with your email ID and username, your all data, your save username and a password will be clear. Okay, don't clear storage, so clear just caches. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.